up inside like the 4th of July. Whenever you're around, I always seem to smile. And people ask me how, well, you're the reason why I'm dancing in the mirror.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Shardion, and I'm back with another freaking video. So today we're just going to be reviewing some hair. This hair that I actually have in right now. This is package hair, and I don't usually do package hair. I usually go for the bundles like everyone usually, but I've been on a budget lately because I've been trying to revamp this channel as well as investing in my own little project, which I will be announcing to you guys very soon. Actually, I'm super excited, so stay tuned for that. But this hair was purchased on a bundle. This hair was purchased on a budget, so I wanted to review it because I haven't done reviews of hair on my channel. So yeah, before we go ahead and get into it, make sure you guys go ahead and give a huge thumbs up, as well as go ahead and subscribe. If you've already watched a few videos before, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. But for now, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, you guys, so the hair I have in right now, this is just a sew-in with a leave-out. My hair is actually natural, so I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to get a leave-out instead of a closure, but I don't know. Anyways, I got this hair. This is, all of this is a 18-inch. I did not do any sizes smaller, any sizes longer, and I'm a pretty short person, so the hair does come to here, which is like almost the top of my butt, but it's not too long. It's pretty good size. I actually like this hair. I just got it installed last night. It is very silky, but as all hair is usually when you first buy it, so I'm not really going off of that. I kind of just want to wait and see how this hair holds and if I truly like it or if I don't. When I first went into my local beauty supply store, I was looking for this hair I usually get if I did get packaged hair, and it's the Milky Way Pure, but I found out that it discontinued with it. And I gotta say, I was quite upset because I'm the type of person who likes to stick to one thing that they know. I don't tend to branch out too much with different things. So this kind of forced me to step outside my box and try this new hair. So anyways, this is the packaging that it came in. Nothing special, your normal packaged hair. And it's called the Premium Purple Pack, Tangle Free, 100% human hair. And give you guys a better look. And like I said, this is also an 18-inch. Now, the crazy thing about this is that this is actually 2 packs of hair in and not 3. So I bought 3 just because it looks kind of thin, and I always want to have 3 packages because you want it to just be full and thick. But this hair actually does look full, so I didn't feel as if I needed to have a 3rd pack installed. So I'll probably just use this for a ponytail, and whenever I do, I will show you guys, no worries. But so far, I'm really impressed with this hair. It seems to be really good quality. I did get this in the color 1B, so let me take it out. Here it is. Yeah guys, so this is the hair. I didn't try to curl it yet. I haven't tried to flexi rod it. I've just been wearing it straight, but I don't know how long I will be wearing this hair straight. Like I've mentioned, I am natural, and it's been a little humid this week already, so that has scared me to death. Like I've had a few little flyaways over here, and it just looks a hot mess, and I've been trying to keep it cute. So we don't want no flyaways. But I hope you guys ended up liking this video. Really quick, short, simple, and to the point. But if you guys have any questions about this hair, or if you guys want to see me do anything different or how it holds a curl, I will definitely do that for you guys. But like always, stay new, stay true, and be you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.